here's a snap. Don't mind the crazy closet. I'm decluttering and all of that stuff. But I just had a thought that came to mind because I used this actually pretty recently while I was at a workshop. And AI and time management is a thing. I mean, I think we've seen the preliminary stages of that for a while now, but it's so important in time management because it helps to alleviate the repetitive and mundane tasks that take up valuable time for your productivity while you're at work. And one of those tools I use, actually just a couple months back, was Microsoft Copilot. And Copilot is the equivalent to a Chat GPT, right? Part of Copilot is this section called Notebook, right? And I have an Office 365 subscription. I think there is access using the free account. I don't know, let me know. But when you get into Copilot, you access the Notebook section. The Notebook section takes recorded notes and then will summarize those recorded notes for you. Yeah, I'm telling you. So I attended this legal issues in HR workshop, and we all know when it comes to legal HR, there's a whole lot of stuff that it's hard to just get down if you're writing it down, or even if you're trying to type it and comprehend it. And so what Notebook did is just record the speaker and then summarizes the information that the speaker provides it. And I mean really succinct summaries and to the point. I wish I had this in law school. I mean, seriously, I was writing, I was typing, I was trying to stay awake. Point being, it was a very helpful tool for this workshop because there was a lot of information I needed to take back to my team. I mean, things like affirmative action, leave accountability, harassment in the workplace, non-compete clauses. I mean, so many elements that have updates to the law that were integral to my work, and I didn't have to write it down. I just sat there, enjoyed and engaged and listened while Microsoft Copilot Notebook was recording the presentation and then eventually summarized it for me. Now, like everything, it's important that you're monitoring it while you use it. There were times during the presentation where the Notebook section would just stop and I'd have to go back in and hit record again. But it was still such a time saver. So if you get a chance, check it out.